Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick small guess what's in the box video. It's a small little bag from Amazon. It is an item for a vehicle, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Today is Saturday, August 28th. It is like 3 o'clock. Oh, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. See if it will. There you go. It's 5:09 in the morning. We're just gonna do a quick, guess what's in the box / bag video. This is a small bag from Amazon. I do have that box right there, which is kind of funny because it's a Nickelodeon box with Paw Patrol movie and stuff all over it. So I picked this up. This is a 12-volt item for the cigarette adapter, 12-volt power source, outlet, whatever you like to call it. Some people call it a lighter plug. It just depends on the year and how long you've been driving vehicles and what you prefer to call it. I picked up some accessories, actually some pretty fast accessories for that. Trying to find something that's better than what I've been buying. I have a lot of tough built stuff from O'Reilly's that work great, but they're just getting kind of slow with the times. They're not charging devices and stuff very fast. So I did pick up some stuff. You guys let me know what you think this is. Is it like a charging plug with USB ports? Is it an adapter? What do you guys think it is? Just a quick video. So this package is 8 3/4 of an inch wide. The package is 14.5 inches long, and at the widest point where the item is, it is 1 3/4 of an inch thick. Well, that's kind of my rough guess based off of looking at it. If I can get it to get closer to the end, what is the actual? Yeah, it's 1 3/4. What do you guys think it is? Just a quick video. We'll take it out of the bag on the next video. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Want to say thank you to all the people that like, comment, subscribe, all the people that like, dislike, watch, are subscribed, not subscribed, people that have sent donations through PayPal to help the channel out, people that have watched through the Patreon account, people that are members, including Polar Bear Ed, Lawn Care Juggernaut, and Blake's Automotive and Restoration. Those are channel members. Channel members is just YouTube's version of Patreon, just in-house. People that have sent super chats. I want to say thank you to all of you guys and gals. You guys are the reason that the channel is monetized and is making money. I will always let you guys know if something was bought with YouTube money. This was not. This is just something that I wanted to pick up. As well as what's in that box over there is just things that I wanted to test out and play with. But you guys are the reason the channel is monetized, and I very much appreciate it. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Don't want to make it too long. And I'll see you guys there. I appreciate you guys stopping by. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!